everyone, welcome to your PDA. My name is Chandrasekhar. Today here we are with Dr. Rajendra sir from IIT Roorkee. So he is having a very good innovation technology for medical purpose. We want to hear from you, sir, and thanks
Yes.
for this project to the India. And it seems it's a very good project in medical. We want to hear from you about this project, sir.
All right. Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Rajendra Arya, and thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to, give some input about our technology. So this is a particular device which has been developed for hydro-dissection of various surgeries, but it has been particularly developed for cleft palate issue in the newborn babies. So as you can see, there is a gap or which is missing tissue in the palate. All right, so that has to be filled. Otherwise, that particular baby cannot speak, cannot breathe, or it will feel some kind of a difficulty.
Lots of problems.
Lots of problem will be there. So if it has to be corrected during after the birth only, or at the earlier stage of the life, earlier stage. So what is the process? One is the fundamental way you can say it has, because the opening is very 1 inch something narrow. All right, so that jaw has to be cut, and that entire opening, then a surgeon can operate it, because it needs some kind of a typical space to operate it. All right,
sir.
but the people have found that hydro-dissection can be done on this particular surgery. What is hydro-dissection? It is a process where the high pressurized fluid is injected to separate the tissues. So the surgeon used to inject the needle in this palate, and through the high pressure injection of the saline water, those tissues separates or come out. So and it fills this particular gap, and then that stretching can be done.
Okay.
All right, so in that way, that surgery can be done with a minimum damage, you can say.
Okay.
Negligible damage, almost. All right, but what is the problem? Earlier, the surgeon, how they perform, they just pull this particular syringe through hand only.
Okay.
All right, so they, after multiple kind of surgeries, or if the surgeon is not skilled, so they found very difficult, and some kind of damage can be done in a newborn baby. All right.
Okay.
So they have developed, and one of the one of the inventor from our team has developed this particular device, which is slightly resolved many of the problem of this particular surgery. But still, while using this particular device, although this device has been done for more than 10,000 something surgeries.
Oh, practically it already implemented.
It is. They are using that particular device.
Great,
all right,
great.
but it has some kind of a problem, like it creates some kind of a jerk. All right, during the surgery, and ununiform kind of a flow, and poor stability when that target or targeting that particular needle is creates some kind of a stability issues are there, and for this particular purpose a surgeon has to be skilled.
Okay.
And there is no feedback kind of a system. As you can see, this is purely mechanical kind of a device.
Okay.
There is no electronics, and there is no some kind of a sensor is involved. So observing all these issues, we have developed this first version of our device, which is fully automated, and it has an adaptive feedback control. It can adapt that particular environment, and accordingly it can
Take
work,
the feedback.
give feedback for monitoring purpose as well as for controlling purpose.
Okay.
All right. So right now we have modified it and eliminated entire this wire and all, and this is the new version of this particular device, which is standalone device, and you can say there is no wires and all. So and very ergonomically designed. As you can see, this visibility is very clear, and a surgeon can perform surgery to
Easily
multiple
can operate.
surgery, and a new surgeon also can use this particular purpose, and only medical skills are required, not other skills. They need
So
to
you need not to have any this electrical or control system knowledge. He need not to have.
Right.
Just if he if he's
If
having
he
the
has
medical
some
knowledge,
medical knowledge, he
he
can
how he is using other equipment in the same way he can use.
Yes, sir. Yes,
you
sir.
mean
So
to say.
this has various advantages, like continuous monitoring.
So at what level it is, sir, now for
Right now,
industry?
as you can see, the prototype is ready to use for a real operational environment.
Okay.
Although in video you can see we have already used. Here you can see the
Okay.
first prototype in the real operational
Oh,
environment.
great.
But during that particular operation, doctor has given us many inputs. So we have implemented all those inputs, and now this prototype is ready to use in a real operational environment. So
Okay.
this is in right now. This device is in TRL 5 level.
TRL 5 level. Okay.
Yes, it almost completed R&D and all. So now we are expecting to move to the next TRL level and transferring transferring our technology for further levels.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you, sir. Thank you very much for explaining us about your wonderful work,
Yes.
which is really useful for this medical purpose.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your time and giving me this opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.